Hi, I'm Tirthankar Pal, and this is a brief introduction about me. I did my MBA from IIT Kharagpur, and currently I'm undergoing MTech level course in computer science. I qualified GATE, GMAT, did my PGDM from Wellingar, Mumbai, and my first degree was an integrated MCA in computer science from NIELIT. I have over 8 years of teaching experience for physics, mathematics, and computer science. I was selected in BIT Metro for PhD in management, and I was an all India topper in Lucknow Central University, that is BBAU, in IT. I was selected in one of the international universities, University of Sussex, and my qualifications are recognized in many countries, including US, UK, Canada, Japan, Singapore, Taiwan. And recently, my course, MTech level course, is recognized as equivalent to MCA, MTech by AICTE. Significant achievements in the area of academics is I was selected for MSc in the world-renowned university King's College London and selected in one of the top international universities like University of Exeter and University of Durham. Well, the reason behind my MBA degree was to have the right mix of experience and academic input, and so that I could be able to actually do justice to my MBA and to my career and be hired as in the senior position. The results of some of my students. One of my students has got selected in IIT Kharagpur in the area of computer science, and he did his MS in machine learning. One of my students got into MCA in NIT Durgapur, and there are several other students who got into post PSc BTech computer science in Calcutta University. Regularly, my students have achieved 5 first class and second class in graduation level computer science, BTech, and MCA semester exams, as well as in school level. I have 10 plus years of experience in pure software development, code software development as an analyst programmer and senior software engineer in the domain of automotive electronics, engineering, telecom technology, textile, and Microsoft technology. The amount of project I did was varied, and has added to the huge repertoire of my skills. So I have actually designed, developed several tools and products in the area of real-time debug monitor, network performance monitoring tool, telecom project management software, graphical user interface based softwares for textile CAD/CAM industry. I worked as a solution architect and an SDET in developing automation framework while working in one of the major companies. I developed a mobile healthcare application at that time. It was around 2007-8. And I'm very comfortable with UML based designs for infotainment modules, and I did my project in Hyundai, Hyderabad. Then I actually used my skill set to develop an HMI, that is a human machine interface of a car. In automotive lighting, the project duration was 3.5 years. So I did the project in real-time debug monitoring for embedded systems. Technology that we used is C#.NET. I went to Germany for SRS gathering and systems requirement specification for a week. I was an SDET in Microsoft. Microsoft was a client, and I worked in one of the major services companies in India. And I designed and developed test management portals, did design and development of health assistance tool, and developed various tools and technologies for Microsoft in the period of 2006 to 2009, 3 years. Before that, I was into a British UK firm, and it was into wireless telecom. And our clients was Vodafone Italy, Vodafone Ireland, Telefonica Spain, Claro Brazil, Mobilink Pakistan, Omantel Oman, T-Mobile USA, Ghana till Ghana. The technologies that I use are C#, .NET, C++, VC++, and Win32 APIs as well. The operating systems are Windows, Unix, and Sun Solaris. So my role was actually into analyzing requirements, designing and developing, and bug fixing. So I did almost in 2.5 years into this project. These are the two products that I worked while I was in that British UK firm, that is Aircom International. And these are the details given here. The two products are, one of them was Optima, a network performance monitoring tool, and the other was Target, a telecom workflow management tool. And my first work experience was into textile CAD/CAM software product development. It is a very niche area where only few of the fortunates are able to work in it and could learn a huge amount of programming knowledge. So we designed a desktop application software development using VC++6 and MSC, and later C#, .NET technologies as well. Actually, I created several tools in the flagship products, that is Autotext 2000 and ColorNet, Color Show. These are the branded products of that particular company. And these products were appreciated by the National Informatics Center, Government of India, and has been recognized as a computer-aided design business re-engineering tool for the corporate industry in Rajasthan. It has become a corporate case study for application of ICT into traditional corporate weaving in India, and we are very proud of that product at that particular period of time. Another thing is that we used to develop a lot of ActiveX controls, like ColorNet Web Control, AutoDrape Web, and Diaplan Web Control. And we used HTML technology to create reports and do various things that the user could interact through web. And at that point of time, around 2002, 2003, the bandwidth of the web, this thing was not there. So we used to work mostly in the area of desktop software development. Now online tools are available. And then I worked on a CAD tool for Autotext 2000 product that I used to develop a 2D wireframe model through which there can be any shape that has to be done through that CAD/CAM software. The ColorNet application which I also did was, it was a visual effect of changing colors in carpets. This application supports the carpet industry, and the customer can get a real-time feedback on the blending of colors in the carpet, and the tool will show that how exactly it will look. And once the customer orders it, the carpet weavers will weave that carpet and deliver it to the customer. So as I tweeted earlier, I was selected in several world-renowned universities for my master's program, as well as for a PhD program in one of the major universities of the world, that is the University of Sussex in UK. I taught several subjects like engineering, maths, advanced engineering, mathematics, discrete maths, numerical and statistical techniques, mathematical aspects of computer graphics, data structures, algorithms, finite automata, cryptology, physics, maths, and computer science for NEET, All India PMT, medical entrance exams, and of course, class 8 to 12, CBSE, ICSE, and ISC. These are the list of my students. You can have a go through it and figure out how experienced I am to teach a technology-based subject. This is the faculty feedback form, the way I taught in GATE Academy, algorithms and data structure for the GATE preparation. And these are the ratings that some of the students have given me, and I have highlighted that in my video. And My contribution was valued in Wipro's appraisal, my last company, and I had overall goals and objective rating of highly valued contribution. And these are the universities where I was accepted for masters. These are the 3 top universities of the world within top 150. This is Exeter, and this is University of Sussex, where I was actually selected for PhD, and we are at advanced stage of discussions here. And this is the famous King's College London, where I was selected for MSc in software engineering in 2009. This is the AICTE recognition of the MTech level course that I'm doing, and it has been recognized as equivalent to MTech. It can be used to gain access to PhD in IITs, NITs, and other universities. This is ISI recognition for my MCA. So this is in summary of what I have done and what I can offer. Thank you for sharing this video. We will now be parting ways, and hopefully you've enjoyed this video, and I'll keep posting about the various IT topics and computer science topics that we'll teach over a period of another 1 year. Thank you.